ART Positioner, the adaptable and reliable closed-phase camming device that complements your primary work positioning system. The ART Positioner represents state-of-the-art mechanical adjustment on personal rope lanyards and steel core flip lines. ART, for the art of tree climbing.
The ART Positioner is designed to replace your friction hitch on your pole belt or flip line. It's a simple, elegant solution, allowing users quick and easy adjustment even under load.
The device allows reliable one-handed adjustment and grabs the rope as soon as it comes under load. The integrated release mechanism is ergonomically designed, offering comfortable handling and easy release of the locking cam when opened. Climbers can choose a fixed carabiner eye or swivel attachment point, and all Positioner parts are replaceable. A modern, user-friendly replacement for your lanyard friction hitch, the ART Positioner works with rope diameters of 11 to 13 mm. Using the alternative Type S cam, the Positioner can be used on steel core, rope-covered flip lines and pole belts, allowing the same smooth and easy adjustment even under heavy load.
The integrated swivel ensures that the Positioner is always correctly aligned when taking in or releasing slack with either hand. The swivel also allows any loops in the rope to be quickly and easily untwisted without having to disconnect from the system.
When the full length of the lanyard is required, the Positioner can easily be relocated to a central attachment point to be used in a single rope configuration. To keep the carabiner in correct alignment, make a single turn of the standing part of the lanyard around the carabiner arm. This prevents the loop from choking around the stem and creating a cross-loading force. Then use the Positioner as normal in conjunction with a primary anchor system. The ART Positioner is CE certified as both an ascender and a rope clamp.
In single line mode, the swivel allows the Positioner to turn even under load, ensuring correct alignment and smooth operation.
Unlike other common lanyard adjusting systems, the Positioner is rated as an independent, fixed, single-line attachment point for ascent and lateral movement. It is not suitable for single rope work positioning without a second appropriate point of attachment. ART, for the art of tree climbing.